What's up, y'all? It's your boy GKSDJ back, and today we's gonna be playing some random trios. Duos. So let's get into the video. Before we get to the video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to my post notification bell for y'all can be notified anytime I post a new video on game. Alright, we loading into it, so let's get into it. Hope I have a nice partner. But y'all, this is the problem. My controller stick is broke. Like my joystick is off, so I'm putting it like one little pointy thing. So I'm getting a new controller. So let's see how I make this. I should put the keyboard and mouse. Should I? Come on. Stop shooting at me. You got to edit for nothing. Oh, edit for a little thing, but like, come on, bro. Can't really edit like nothing. Yeah, we on the bus. Wait, did it just say my name? Hold on, y'all. I think Joe and Julio said I'm trying to get a dud to the us, let's say Fortnite. Which one better, Julio, or Young Ace, bro? My partner just left me. I don't care, at least he's trash. Alright, come on, I need a gun. How you got a shotgun? Who won't smoke with me? Who wants some? What is that? I got an AR. I got AR. But no, let me take that one AR out. Gang. Nah. I need some loot real quick. So let me do that. Thank you. 1, 2, 3. My joystick is messed up. It hurt my hands. Like, I want to throw these sticky bombs or something. It's gonna be mad funny. Who person is in there? Oh, I got 200. I got 2,000 each stinky. Yeah, I do not mind a lot. This is my baby cousin. Oh, people shooting. I'm seeing niggas hold 5, 6, 7. Bro, my controller. This is so hard. Oh, this is mad hard playing like this. Like, dang, I can't even aim. Look it. That's the bad thing about it, bro. So if I die, I'm gonna rage real loud. I'm gonna get in trouble. I'm mad. I can't really aim. Bro, I'm really watching Bunk right now with Robbie. Look at me, I know. Off of Jesse. Bro, this is so hard, y'all. I'm finna skip them when I see a kid. I see somebody. Ooh. Alright, I controller, bro. Oh my gosh. I need to hit him. But I'm not playing Fortnite again. Sorry, see you later.